Gates open, that up and racing. China Girl nose west. Sari outside. His speed to riches. Perhaps love power gear. Moving a party outside. Tiago. Seal my lips. Object of desire is on the farther outside. Rounding towards the last 600. China Girl in command, power gear, now running in second, nose west. Object of desire is on the outside as they race towards the last 450. We have China Girl, power gear, running in between runners, object of desire and nose west as they swing for home. 4 runners are now fighting it out for the lead. China Girl running in between runners, power gear, nose west, object of desire with 200 to go. China Girl nose west, power gear in between runners with the last 150. China Girl nose west moves up on the outside. We have China Girl nose west on the outside and leading the finish line. It's nose west, China Girl. Then comes perhaps love, power gear, object of desire. His speed to riches, Tiago, seal my lips and living for love.